Arnick Lacarson, professional fitness instructor here to demonstrate an effective sequence that targets the shoulder muscles. The first exercise in the sequence is a standing barbell press with a comfortable weight that you would be able to lift anywhere between 8 to 10 reps. And once that's accomplished, remembering to work the full range of motion of the muscle from the starting point all the way to full extension back to the starting point, we're going to transition into a dumbbell lateral raise exercise, engaging the outer shoulder muscles for 5 reps. And then we're going to turn our hands inwards and do frontal raises with the same barbells for 5 reps. And then we're going to go over our head and work the downward motion. So frontal raise from halfway up all the way to full extension, back down, working on defining the muscles. And in an exhausted state, with the dumbbell still in our hands, we're going to go straight into a shoulder press exercise for 10 reps, really burning the muscles out. Thank you very much for watching.